Okay, let's do this.
You don't act, baby, like you're satisfied. Oh, yeah. In everything I know, Lord, to right. I see the sign, I'm going out, telling you.
Nokia made its way back into the market in 2017 with 4 new smartphones under their belt, and the Nokia 5 was the middle child. Here are 3 reasons you should think about getting a Nokia 5 as your next phone. First, the build quality. Building on Nokia's legacy of making phones that last, HMD, the company that took over the rights to make Nokia branded smartphones, made some of the most well-built smartphones of 2017. The 5 is designed to take a beating with an aluminium body that's well reinforced and adds to the Nokia feel. Sits in your hand really well with just some reassuring weight. Second reason is software. Nokia is bundling stock Android on their phones, allowing updates to be seamless. They made a bold claim that they would update the 5 to Android Oreo by the end of the year, and sure enough, by mid-December, we had the Oreo beta on the 5. The software experience is just as Google intended it to be: smooth, playful, and most of all, secure with the latest security patches from Google. Last but not least are the intangibles. Every phone has that allure to it that isn't spec related, and the Nokia 5 has its fair share. The fact that you're holding a Nokia smartphone in your hands breeds all kinds of nostalgia. That already is a good point. The 13 megapixel back and 8 megapixel front facing cameras are not the best, but can shoot some nice colorful pictures. Plus, they don't look terrible when you're on Snapchat or Instagram, so that should count for something. The Nokia 5 doesn't do anything exceptionally well, but gets everything right. It provides the smartphone basics at an affordable price point. And should you pick it up? Definitely. If you have 17,000 to spend, it shall not be in vain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like down below, and check out my playlist with all my reviews. Until next time, this is Tony Takes from Zach.